Shattered dead bottle pop, I'm doing to renew. Spinning buddy car in the corner of the moon. Straight into the clock to the lab to be lewd. Don't think I can hold it in the elevator. Phew. Everyone's telling me that I am too much. Everyone's always giving me that was too. Wanna sing a wicked off the song off the wall, but everyone's always giving that I think it's too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Why don't think so? Why don't think so? Why don't think so? Too much. I ain't here for fame, quick and less all of you. Business fans always trying to wreck my attitude. Toss around a PA, live a club, watch the zoo. I'm here to start a ruckus, I'm a rude wherever you. Everyone's telling me that I am too much. Everyone's always giving, yeah, that was too much. I didn't think I'm wicked off the song off the wall, but everyone's always giving, nah, I think it's too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Too much. Never signed up to play by any of the rules. Wallpapered my room with all my bad reviews. My lifestyle's awake and filled with gratitude. Scar isn't just a style, kid, you gotta live through. Everyone's telling me that they think I'm too much. Everyone's always screaming, yeah, that one's too much. I just think I'm wicked, awesome, solid off the wall, but everyone's always screaming, nah, I think it's too much. Okay, remember this. They're just holding you back. Too much. Too much. Too much. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Too much. Meteor. Fiery. Havoc. Too much. Fun. Too much. Well, I'm never coming back to Virginia. Well, I'm pleased to say these are our last two songs. And just because you don't like us, what's your least favorite band? You're a dick. He said a band I can't say. Well, I'm going to play your least favorite. Okay, so this goes out to them, and I'm not going to tell the rest of it. She's between you and me. 1, 2. I heard a noise in the night, your body starts to sweat. She's the shivers and rock. Go to sleep with your mother, she hates your guts. She knows that you love her, so she holds you tight all through the night until the broad daylight. When she doesn't come home, you gotta sleep alone. Then you wet your bed, not think that's sad. For a girl of 19, that's more than sad. It's all shit. 1, 2. For a sweet little 17, she's got the land and the flat sheets. Know what that means? She's just a little queen, she shares your London flat. She thinks that Larry in his flask is fat. Although it's easier wondering you wear your hat. And your plum cup of PVC, well, the maxi back. You tie your ginger hair back it up, but you're the ugliest creature. What are the fuck? It's about time that you die, yeah, and I agree. So you decide on suicide. You try, but you never quite carry it up. You only wanted to die in order to show up. And if you think you're gonna bleed all over me, you're ripping broken, then you don't believe me. When the only thing you wanna see are kids, the only thing you wanna see is rich. Your little piece of it begins to twitch. I know, you know, you're just a little bitch. Supernova! 60 feet stupid! Yeah, the Supernova spinning! You guys laughing is the reason! We're all fast capturing! Well, this is your shot, can't be stopped. 20 bucks says there's a noise complaint. Tearing down the coins. We just be blowing up the speakers. You know your neighbors found the floorboards. You guys are partying a secret. Well, this is your shot, can't be stopped. Yeah, right, yeah, it's the noise complaint. Oi, howdy dog, howdy. We just be lighting up until time. With all the mad street rocking. And those little skirts within. Well, this is your shot, can't be stopped. We're crazy at the station of the truly uncool. At the front door, and all the girls hit the closet. You know I'm underneath the bed now. It's just a chick that naughty smooching. Well, it's just your shot, can't be stopped. I'm sorry, officer, about the noise complaint. Bringing the weekend, all the slacking and right bagging. We're all playing back to go. Are you hip to our lingo? Well, it's just your shot, can't be stopped. Back it up. It's the noise complaint, right? It's just a noise complaint. Noise complaint. It's a noise complaint. Okay, here we go. Best two kids in the world. Oh, you motherfuckers! Record needle selling. Oh, the Ivy League is screaming. I'm just posing for a picture and just flip this minute. Well, this is your shot, can't be stopped. They play my favorite song and it goes yeah, 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 girls weekend. And all you good girls are kissing. And all you rude girls are spitting. And all you talked up dollies are kicking it. Well, this is your shot, can't be stopped. I like your neighbor, but your neighbor don't like me. Noise complaint, come on! It's a noise complaint! Supernova! Yellow! It's a noise complaint! No, I remember I do. We went to the same place last week. The place is from downtown PA. Tomorrow. Please give it up for Cinderella, Skid Row, Black Shoulder, Motley Crue, Megadeth, Metallica, Suicidal Tendencies, and DRI. And don't forget, we gotta love the Big D shit.
Big D, David. Hey, everybody. I'm Steve.